Hey Stuart, what noise does a bee make? And what noise does a cow make? And what noise does an elephant make? And what noise does a lion make? And what noise does a monkey make? Okay, that's the animal noises. Now what about where bits of Stuart are? Where's Stuart's head? That's right. Where's Stuart's mouth? Where's Stuart's nose? Oh, a little bit higher up. That's pretty close. Where's Stuart's ears? That's your cheek, I think.
What do you do for Crocodile?
Where's Stuart's arm? That's right. Oh, that's your head. And where's Stuart's legs? That's right. What a clever little chap. And row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Okay, good boy.